Hello and welcome back to the new video of the JUnit tutorial series. So in our previous video we have seen the introduction part of the JUnit, and now in this video we will be seeing how we can set up a JUnit environment on our Windows 11. Okay, so before starting this video, there are some prerequisite softwares that you need to install in your PC in order to set up the JUnit environment on your Windows 11, right? So those two softwares are Java and Java JDK that you need to install in your PC. So to install these two, quickly I will show you how you can install these two softwares in your PC. Just go in your Chrome and open up the new tab and write uh, download Java. Okay, so for very first website will come, which is www.java.com, and you will go there at download page, and you can see a little button over here, download Java, and you can download Java from here. And to download the JDK, again you open up the new tab and write download JDK. Okay, so very first page come from Oracle itself, which are the developer of the Java. Okay, so you just scroll down here, and according to your operating system, you select your operating system, and just select your version, X 64-bit or 34-bit. You can download it. Click here, and the download will start. I will not download it again as I have downloaded and installed. Okay, so these are the two softwares that you need to install in your PC. Once you install these two softwares, and then we can go ahead and set up the JUnit environment in our Windows 11. Okay, so to do this, there are two ways by which we can do this. One is manual way, where you have to download those jar files of the JUnit 4 manually from the internet, and you have to place those two jar files in your build system of the project. Okay, and the second one is using an IDE. So in our today's date, there are IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse. Those are pretty smart and advanced one. You don't have to download the jar file manually. You just write one line import statement of that JUnit, and it will automatically detects that you want to include the JUnit dependencies in your project, and it will automatically suggest that you should download these JUnit dependencies in your project. And if you just click on that download, it will automatically download and add those jar files in your build system. Okay, so we will see both the ways. One is manual and one is automated way. Or automated, we'll be seeing using IntelliJ IDE, because this IDE is preferred by most of the developer in today's world. Okay, so let's get started, and let me just open my IDE first. IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, once I open my IDE, I will just go here and click on file. Wait, let it open. I click on file, new, and project. Okay, once I click here, uh, you can see language should be Java and build system should be IntelliJ, and I will name my project as demo JUnit. Okay, and I will create my project. Okay, this window I want to create. Okay, and now, okay, so now my project has been successfully built. Okay, so we'll first see the manual way how to install. Okay, so for installation in a manual way, you just go in your Chrome and head over to the new tab and write JUnit. Just write JUnit. Just ignore my typo. So you just go here and to the JUnit 5, which is the latest version. In this video we'll be using JUnit 4. Okay, and once you head over to this site, you can see a download and install button over here. Just click on that button. You will get redirected to the official JUnit 4 repo of the repo on GitHub. Okay, and here you can see download the following jars and add them to your test class path. Okay, so they have given the link to download these jar files. We just need to download these two jar files and add it over to the external libraries that we are going to use in our project. Okay, so this is our class path. So let me just click on this JUnit.jar. you will get redirected to this Sonatype website, and you just click on this one, JUnit. Let it get load, and you can see uh, here. uh, Let me go into versions. Yeah, versions. You can see there are different versions they have given over here. I will select the latest one, and I will click on the browse, and you can see JUnit 4.13.2.jar. Just click on this, and the jar file will get downloaded. Okay, so once this file is getting downloaded, I will just go back, and I will again download this Hamcrest core.jar file. It will redirect me to this, and I will click on the download, and I want the jar file. Okay, so these two files are getting downloaded. Now for the manual way, you just need to get these two jar files, and you have to paste it down over here inside your external library, that is a class path for your project, right? So this is the first way, the manual way, that you can do it. And for the second way, using the IntelliJ IDEA itself. Okay, so you don't need to do anything. You just go ahead and create a new Java class. Let me call it as test here, because I will write the test cases over here itself. And just let me create my main method over here at also main method. Okay, and I will create one custom method over here, a public static, not public, void test cases, and I will write this method, and I will write system.out.println executing JUnit test cases. Okay, so after that I will just come here or come over here, and I will just simply write at test. Okay, as soon as I write this, you should get error telling that okay, and you can see you are getting one little error over here. You just click on this button, and as you can see, it is suggesting you that you should add JUnit 4 to your class path. Okay, so as soon as I click over here and click OK, it will automatically add JUnit dependencies to my class path, and it will also import the JUnit.test class from the JUnit library itself. Okay, and when I click on the external libraries, you can see JUnit dependencies is getting added, and exactly the similar two files that we are downloaded from the web, those two files are also getting automatically added to this external libraries folder. Okay, so this is how you can add those dependencies of the JUnit in IntelliJ IDEA without downloading manually downloading any files. And as soon as I click on this run test cases, the test cases should run successfully. I should get prompt of successful testing. Okay, so you can see green tick, which is represents as test cases passed, and one little line I have written inside this method executing JUnit test cases, that is printing on over here as well. Okay, so that means everything is working fine. Our JUnit dependencies is also getting added inside our IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so this is how you can add the dependencies and set up the JUnit environment on Windows 11 and start working and start using the JUnit. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.